Oh hi, and this is why I'm quitting social media. I am GabyT, an artist that have been drawing for more than 15 years, and I passed most of my life in the internet, always uploading art, always seeing other people's artwork, and I can finally say that I'm done with it. I'm done with it. Bye. No, seriously, I work as an artist that need to pick up art commissions from social media, but I'm quitting that. How am I doing both at the same time? But before we get into that, I must say why am I quitting and why maybe it should be good for you too. So the main reasons is number 1, anxiety, stress, FOMO. What is FOMO, Gabs? Fear of missing out. Whenever you go on the internet and see other artists doing fan art of a specific show that you like, and you feel like, I don't have the time to do it, I wanted to do it too. Or you see other people that were just starting out, now drawing much better, and you go inside your head, damn, I should be improving much more. No, I'm being left behind. Or any other thing like that. Internet, social media use that against you. They know it exists and they use against you. And you feel anxious because you're all the time scrolling, just taking out all of the dopamine that you have, and you're going to feel more stressed. People don't get to the point of understanding how deep this is, but if you're feeling stressed all the time, by the book that I have read, I don't remember the name of the neurologist that wrote this book, but the name of the book is Resilience, How to Be More Resilient. But he wrote that if you are constantly overstressed, you are going to be someone with a lower resilience. You're going to be someone that gives up faster.
Quitting! It's like trying, but easier.
Before wanting to give up, I made so much research. I made so much research before getting out of social media to be sure that this is what I wanted. And after researching a lot, I am 100% sure I'm never going back to this hole. Never ever. And let me tell you, did you know the average social media time that people are spending? Do you know how much it is? The last research is 2 hours and 24 minutes. Average user spends 2 hours and 24 minutes on social media every day. 2 hours. Multiply that by 7. 14 without taking the minutes in. 14 hours that could be taking care of your mental health, taking care of your body health, of your joints, of your sleep, taking care of your family members, passing a great quality time with people that you love. For me, it's so absurd. It's absurd that people are spending this amount of time on social media. And depending on the country, it's even more. If we go by country, I know that Brazil is almost hitting 4 hours per day. That's my country, by the way. It's just absurd. It's too much time on a funny meme, haha, but is that meme really worth it though? Is that meme really worth it though? You guys can go search by yourself. I like to say, don't trust my word, search by yourself. Search it. Don't only be based on me. Search it and take your own conclusions. Use brain to think is good for us. So that was the number 1 thing, the anxiety, the stress, the FOMO. And then I was searching even more, and then I was like, that thing hit me even harder, okay? This thing hit me even harder. Productivity. It lowered my productivity a lot. Like absurdly a lot. And I'm not even talking about wanting in the middle of your work to go and check social media. No. I'm talking about something much deeper. I'm talking about you not having enough dopamine. So whenever you are working, it feels absurdly boring and you just can't handle it. You need to make breaks, even to do nothing all the time. You don't have what it takes because your brain is addicted. Your brain is working the same way as someone that is addicted to other type of stuff. To not say the name of those stuff, but it works in the same way. And so you just draw less, you draw with less focus, so it's not going to get the best result. Do you see how much this can change how your art is evolving, how your work overall, even if you're seeing this video and you're not an artist? Do you see how absurdly this changes you? You're not going to make so much stuff as you used to. And then you're going to feel frustrated, and that's a never-ending cycle. Oh, I wanted to work, I didn't work that much, or the quality was not as good. Your quality is going to get worse just by using social media constantly. Bro, it's absurd. It's absurd. And then the last one, that was the one that made me say, I'm never getting back at this. This one was, for me personally, was the one that I felt like, that's it. I'm not looking back. That's not a worth price. It's that your abilities of learning becomes lower and your memory also decreases its ability to process stuff. That was the point that I was like, you're saying that I can't learn as how I should be learning. You are telling me that anything that I want to learn, it will become much harder and I'll get more frustrated and I'll just be stagnated? For me, as an overachiever, get out. Get out. I'm no way. There is no way I'm negotiating this. No. I'm not. My memory is everything to me. My memory is what keeps me on making my routine, on making me help you guys, on making me learn more stuff. Like, I just learned that a chess player, when they are in the multi-day tournament, they can burn so many calories. I just learned that. That's a random info, by the way. But I just learned that and I was like, wow, that's so cool. And these days that I have been without using social media, I have been learning so much stuff, like so much, so much. And also about cortisol, that just being close by people that are very, very stressed all the time. You get stressed too, because cortisol is also a little bit released by the skin. I didn't know that. I was like, what the freak? But that's random thing. You don't need to know any of this. Getting back to the main topic. So this last one was the kick for I'm never ever going back again. And now you may ask me, Gabs, but you're posting on social media. You post on social media. How you say you quit, but you're posting? And now it's an important part that is going to help if you are an artist that does art commissions or work by showing your art. This is the most important part of the video. You stop everything that you're doing and pay attention right now. I'm not joking. Pay attention right now. I use a social media manager, more than one, but I use a social media manager. What is that? A tool that lets you just go and upload and schedule. You can schedule a full week and you can schedule already a full month. You choose how much it's going to be, but make it scheduled and you don't have to even enter. You're not going to see anyone's feed. You're not going to get distracted by that cat meme or that dog meme or anything like that. You're not. You can keep your focus to you and you can work more. I have been almost 2 weeks since I fully quit Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. I use Discord for work, so there's no way I can go away from it. WhatsApp, I talk with family that are miles away. No way of quitting that. But all the main ones that are funny, haha. I don't use TikTok for years, by the way. And YouTube I used to learn, so that's not even a problem. But what I mean here, there are tools that you can use to make your work easier, faster, and free. I know someone was going to think there was a promotion. There is no promotion here. We are not promo channel by any other thing other than my art platform. Have you checked that? Link in the description to learn art with me. Let me show the #1 free. If you're posting your art, you get art commissions, Facebook, Instagram. This thing here exists, okay? You gotta know this. That's minimum. You gotta know this thing exists, okay? Facebook did this. Call it Meta Business Suite. Go and search, enter in that, put your account. So you can just reply to all messages from your page and schedule posts, create ads, blah, 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 and all that thing. Work, folks, that you're not going to see any feeds. You're not going to see any type of feeds or stories or anything like that. And you can post on both at the same time. I use that and I'm free from entering forever Instagram and Facebook. It's so boring, their main screen. If you have HHD, trouble focusing, this is excellent for you. Like, absolutely excellent. Like, this is the main page. Here, you want to create a post? Click on create a post. You want to create an ad? Create an ad. You want to create a Reels? Create a Reel. You want to create stories? Create your stories. Upload it. And there is also the smartphone option. So you don't need to suffer with anything. I'm not spending this money. This is just Facebook wanting me to spend money on them. And then you can see which posts went good. And then you can reply to comments. And you can do whatever the freak you want. And you can reply to inbox messages if you have clients sending you a message only there and not friend stuff or other stuff. For me, this helped so much with focus. It's a free tool. If you're doing art commissions, why you're not using it, go for it. Probably because no one taught you. No one taught me about it too. No one taught me about it too. I know that pain. You're strong, bro. Keep going. You're strong. So, this is one of the tools, but Gabs, I want to post on Twitter and TikTok and blah, 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 blah. Another free option that I found for you champs. This one, call it Buffer. It lets you up to 3 different social medias free. It lets you go up to 3 social media as being free. You choose which are going to be these 3 ones, but this one is very good. I'm using this one for Twitter because the main one that I use doesn't have Twitter, but this one is very, 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 very good. So that's how I also got myself away from Twitter. I can upload there without being there. The main one that I have is this one, so I use this one in English. For TikTok, also Instagram and Facebook. Why also these 2? Because it's not only me that is managing. I have a fantastic friend that also is helping me with managing this. Guga is amazing, by the way. Shout out to Guga. So, please, try to use Buffer that you just saw or MetaSuit Business or the one that I'm using that is MLabs. That's a paid one, not recommending for any beginner. But use the free ones. Please use the free ones. Be free. You don't need to suffer with social media. You're free. You're made to be free. You're made to not feel anxious all the time. Not feel horrible. Not feel unproductive. That's not normal. And people normalize that. Not people, whole society. I get so angry. I get so angry, guys. I get so angry because for me it's truly a life-changing thing. It is a life-changing thing. You should not get used to getting all of your time sucked from you. You deserve happiness. I know this sounds like obvious, or for some don't. You do deserve happiness without being a single meme, haha, for 2 seconds and then you forget about it forever. You deserve true happiness, long-lasting happiness. And you deserve to make your work as an artist easier, not crazy. Uploading art online for 4 hours in a day. Do you know why or how I found these tools? Because I was spending in a single day 4 hours uploading art. That was the day that I was like, wait, I have been here 4 hours uploading. I didn't even draw today, and it's been already 4 hours. I gotta do something about it. My time has been stolen from me. It's not like I have that under control. Someone is stealing that from me. And that one is social media. I want to take that time back. And so I have been around 2 weeks without, and I felt absurdly great. Not only on, again, I'm still using WhatsApp to talk with family that are very far away or very close friends, but all the rest, I'm out. I don't know what is happening in anyone's life. I truly don't know. Only if they go and talk with me. Another proof that I found in my life was deeper connections. That's the one that we think, no, she's cutting social media, so she's cutting social life. But at the same time, I'm getting deeper connections, and most of my friends are online. How did this happen? I noticed that I'm just spending more time, quality time, chatting with them or calling with them. And that's fantastic. I'm having more deeper conversations. And that's cool. You have more meaningful friendship and relationships in your family, and you have more time. That's amazing. That's incredible. I love it. So yeah, champs, I just want you to truly think, what do you want to do with your life? Because to be very true and honest to the bottom of my heart, I was tired of being a slave. Since 11 years old, to upload every single day that I could, my artwork finished, and to think, no, I'm gonna do that again and again and again and again. Let's search for a way to get more reach. Let's search for a way to get more engagement. Let's search for a way that does this and that. It's been more than 10 years, and I can finally say that I'm out of this crazy jail. I'm not going back. I hope this video could enlighten you. Hope one of the tools that I told you, Meta Business Suite or Buffer or MLabs, can help you. And if for some reason you're already using one of them, try to search for other social medias, anything that you like. Oh, extra tip for you that it's here to the end. Extra tip for you that is here until the end. I also use these 2 extensions on my browser. This one is for focus. When I click to go on focus mode, this just blocks every single website possible that could take out my focus. I love this. What is the name of this again? It's Focus Guard. I love it. It's free. Again, I'm giving free tools. You can use it. And this one is for YouTube. Inside of YouTube, Unhook is the name. When I put it on, it just blocks a lot. Hide shorts. Oh yes, hide shorts. A lot of stuff. Like, let's say I'm going right now into YouTube. That's going to be my main screen. It's not that it didn't load, it loaded, but it's blocking. There are many times that just you for 1 second opening that social media can freak up all of your work schedule. So that's why it's so important to use tools to block for you. I also have some in my smartphone. Just go into Google Play Store or your Apple Store and search for focus. Just the word focus, and you see a lot of apps, free apps, focus at into how to focus and blocking other apps and everything. There's so many tools that you should be using, because social media is no joke. When they say they want to take your time, they will take your time. And not only that, they will take your mental stability, they will take your emotions, they will take everything from you. That's the harsh reality. So if they're going to fight with everything they can, I will fight with everything I've got. I'm doing this type of video to truly show you guys that you deserve a better health, you deserve a better life as an artist, and you can still keep doing your income and having a great life. Thank you very much for watching. All the love, all the peace, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. And if for some reason you want to learn art with me, link in the description for my art platform, where you can learn with many art classes and tools, and also streams that I do privately only for you guys. Ooh. Well, that's it. Take care of your focus, because if you want to improve in life, no matter what it is, focus is the #1 way to go. You're amazing. You deserve happiness. You do. You deserve peace. You.